Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and initiating a backup. Sign into iCloud on both devices with the same Apple ID. Enable iCloud backup, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network, and plug the source device into power. Once done, start an immediate iCloud backup from settings so the latest data is captured. Make sure to monitor backup progress until it reaches 100%. This ensures the transfer uses the newest files, app data, and settings rather than older snapshots. On the target device, proceed through the Setup Assistant. If it's used, perform a factory reset to reach the same screen. When prompted, choose Restore from iCloud Backup and sign into your Apple ID. Then select the most recent backup you created. The device will download settings, photos, messages, and apps. Larger app data may continue in the background, so remain on Wi-Fi and keep the device charging. Note why this works. The backup maps device identifiers to iCloud stored data for accurate restoration. After restoration, verify core items, contacts, photos, messages, notes, and app-specific data. If something's missing, make sure the source backup completed fully, rerun a manual iCloud backup, and try restoring again. Also, toggle problematic iCloud sync settings for a specific app to force redownloads. If storage or account issues persist, sign out and back into iCloud on the target device or visit the Apple ID account page to inspect storage and device lists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.